so what's your first name?
Donna.
Donna, and tell us, Donna, what's wrong?
I had a shoulder injury.
Yep.
And I've had 2 operations. I had
Yep.
a torn rotator cuff, a torn bicep,
Yep.
and a severed bicep, and then an impingement.
Yep.
So everything now I've worked really hard. I can go upwards, across.
Yep.
But the only thing I can't do is external rotation.
All right, okay.
It really sort of
Right.
goes at my shoulder.
He thinks he can fix that. If we can stand you up first, because I just need to move the chair back. There we go. Right, sit down again. Right, cool. So all that happens with this healing is I ask God for a healing for Donna. It's not me doing the healing. I'm a bank manager. Ask me about lending, mortgage rates. I can help you. But in terms of this healing, it's just my body. They just need my body, my awareness, my intention. So I just intend the healing for Donna. When I say a prayer, asking, it's very, very brief, and it's said almost matter-of-factly, not disrespectfully, but I expect it to be granted. If you grovel, asking please, please, and desperation, you're probably not going to get it answered. But if you're more in a place of being really, really grateful for your life, this is amazing. If only this would happen, I'd be so happy. It's a different energy, yeah? So when you are going to ask for something, make sure your energy is already up, yeah? And ask for it in a way that you sort of expect it will be given. Right, Donna, just try moving it again and see what's happening.
Just really stuck. Yeah.
Stop, yeah, cool, and rest it down. So the surgeons typically will work from away the body to away a distance in the body to getting closer and closer. When something is very, very physical, sometimes they will touch the body as well. Different tissues in your body process different feelings, and shoulders are all about responsibilities. God bless. Now there's lots of energy in there that the surgeons need to release. The surgeon that's working through me at the moment is quite tall. He's not one of my regular team. Right, Donna, again, just try that movement again.
Wow.
That's getting better, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
This guy's really tall. I would say he's about 8 foot tall, and he's very thin. Not expecting that really, were you? Cool. This isn't hard, guys, for me to do this. My biggest challenge in life is dealing with trading standards, because they don't believe this is for real. And I say, I've got hundreds of clips of films. They say that's not good enough. What your work must be supervised by a doctor. You must have documentation before and after. I've got hundreds of videos. I can just put me in a room, just bring me some people. Right, Donna, try it now. Starting to get there. So show us your good arm. That's it. Bring them both back together. Close your eyes. That's it. 3 deep breaths. Then both arms together. She's really tried with this, hasn't she, eh? How's that feeling?
I can't believe it, to be honest.
Yeah, your partner's going to wish he cared, isn't he, now?
Yeah, he's got sciatica and he's struggling so
All right,
bad.
well, when we fix you, you go fetch him. You'll have to pay, but we saw him in the bar, you see, and he's not come. We'll fix him as well. All right, so I've been able to do this for 25 years. What does my head in is that why are doctors not coming to see me? Why are universities not studying me? Because there's no money in it for them, guys. Yeah? All the natural remedies that we have, they're not bothered about. They don't want to know because they can't make money out of a natural plant or a herb because they can't patent it. Now this time, Donna, they want you to put both arms up if you would. That's it, and then bring both arms down like that. How's that feeling? Yeah, and then do that external again. Isn't that good? Isn't that good? They're still tidying up. They're about 75% of the time done. But if you were a doctor and you saw me on YouTube, wouldn't you be curious? Oh, we've got any doctors here tonight? All right, I've been doing this for 25 years, 20 years in New Zealand. 2 doctors have ever come to see me in New Zealand. 4 have come in the UK. Wouldn't doctors want to be able to do this? Right now, give it a go. Right, and then relax. We're just going to do some work in your head now. You think you decide to come to the show, you actually get bored. Every healing, you'll be listening to the sound. Every healing, you will be sitting in the vibration of these entities. There's more than 30 entities with me tonight. There's more of them than there are of you. Everybody can receive the healing they want. You just need to take your awareness into your heart space and just ask for what it is you want. But not in a desperate way, guys. Desperation won't work. If you think about somebody in life going, would you want to help them? No, but if you think, I'm really happy, I'm really loving my life, if you could just give me another $500,000, that would be lovely. There's a whole different energy. You want to bring your energy up to that place where the healing can be granted. Hot?
Yeah.
Flush of energy with it? Yeah, cool.
It doesn't work with menopause.
Sorry, Donna, I missed that. Say it again.
It doesn't work well with menopause as well. It's like,
All right, let's talk about menopause. All right, hot flushes. I call them power surges. Your body is killing off cancer. Do not curse your hot flushes. Do not try and get rid of them. Do not take medication. Heat is the best way to kill cancer cells. Yeah, if you're getting a hot flush, it's nature's way of helping the ladies live longer. Yeah? Yes. Yes. Right, give that another go. That's pretty good, isn't it? That's pretty good. Right, I'm just going to do a little, there's just something he's going to just fiddle in there a little bit. He's got, it looks like chalk. So, yeah, God bless. Tall, thin guy. I'm going to just call him the tall, thin guy. I've no idea who this one is. They can be your guides rather than my guides. Some of the beings I work with are recognised as Roman Catholic saints. Some of the beings I work with are the same beings that work with John of God in Brazil, God bless. Some of them, I'll talk off camera about some of them. Cool. So I was a bank manager up until the age of 31, started seeing spirit, then got told why I was here, what I'm here to do. That makes life easy, isn't it? Wouldn't you like just somebody to appear one day and tell you why you're here and what you're here to do? Life has still had its challenges, believe you me, but at least I know this is what I'm here to do. For quite a while I worked as a medium. Spirit had told me, or the guide had told me I was here as a healer and a teacher. Don't forget the ones that can't see. The ones that can't see can still feel vibration. But I've also got an ability as a medium. I'm maybe the best medium you've ever seen. And I used to ask, can I have some guidance that I'm a medium? And I'd be putting on my knickers and it would say, medium. So I was medium for a while. Not a comedian. Not a comedian. Yeah. And he used to say that they're looking for somebody with a sixth sense, not a sixth sense. I have a naughty sense of humour. All right. Right, let's give that a go. How's that feel? Yeah.
I haven't got it this far in 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. And now they will keep working on you. You are going to need the purple powder. We need to rebuild some cells. And that'll just give you cells energy. So I'm not saying that the purple powder rebuild cells. The purple powder will give you energy. Your body's wisdom will use it in the way it needs to. Pretty good. Give her a round of applause.